Kinkele has been a supplier to the German engineering industry since 1885. We manufacture heavy, complex welded components to the highest standards and offer subsequent machining, assembly, and painting. When it comes to delivering components, subassemblies, or entire machines in a short time and to the highest quality, we are the right people to talk to. We have 7 CNC programmers in the CNC department, programming 25 machines. Every year, we create around 3,000 CNC programs and program around 800 to 1,000 components. We mainly produce single parts, often prototypes. Process reliability is paramount, and the first part must fit. That's why we decided to simulate the entire machining process to increase process reliability. This has a significant impact on overall productivity, as it allows us to machine the part optimally and without interruption during the night shift. As we often optimize the NC program after the post-processor run, it was important for us to simulate exactly the same NC code that will run on the machine. That's why we chose CG Tech and Vericut. Kinkele specializes in large, complex parts, weighing up to 50 tons. 6 years ago, we simulated the first machines. Some of these are very large machines, with many different milling heads and controls. Because of the workpieces, we had to simulate a wide range of functions and control cycles. Thanks to Vericut, we benefit from a smooth machining process, especially during the night shift. The fact that the process runs as simulated on the cutting machine has resulted in far fewer collisions on the machine tool, and also fewer problems with tools. Thanks to Vericut, these problems no longer exist. Kinkele is definitely an inevitable Vericut user. The large and partly pre-machined parts are very expensive, so every program must work the first time. Any mistake means a lot of money and a lot of aggravation. Productivity has definitely increased. Collisions on our machine tools have been reduced, and today we cannot imagine using an NC program without simulation with Vericut. The programmer can relax because our processes are fully simulated. As we produce very high-quality steel components, the first machining operation has to be perfect. By simulating in advance, we are able to detect collisions and, of course, increase efficiency. I see the biggest benefit with our employees. They trust the system. Input times are much shorter, which of course increases efficiency.